Hi, welcome to Introduction to Python Data Type Coding Exercise. In this video, we are going to implement the different data types belonging to Python. As you know that Python has different data types such as integer, float, complex numbers, string, list, tuple, dictionary, set, frozen set, boolean, byte. In this video, we are going to code all the data types with simple examples. We'll start with integer data type. In order to create integer data type, we are going to take a variable, say var, and we'll assign a value to it. And then just print the var. Also, you can print the type of var. So you can see that 5 value has been assigned to var, that is our variable, and it belongs to class int. In the same way, we'll create a variable of float type. Let's say we assign it value 0.1234, and then we can print the value and also the type of var2. So it printed the value float 0.1234 and it belongs to class float. In the same way, we are going to create complex numbers data type. Let's say x variable, which is equals to 2j, and just print x, print the type of x. Next, we are going to create string data type. So you can see that I have successfully created string1 as my variable which holds my string hello world, and if you see the type of string str1, it belongs to class string. In the same way, I'm going to create list data type. And print it. So you can see that I have created a list of vehicles, car, bike, and I have printed my list and the type to which it belongs. Next is tuple. Likewise, we can create dictionary data type. As you know, the dictionary consists of keys and values. So we are going to create a dictionary, dict1, So I have successfully created a dictionary. As you can see, my name and location are the keys, and Steve and New York are its values respectively. Next, I'm going to create a set using set keyword. I'm going to print it. So you can see that hello world has been printed only once, which means set, it removes the duplicates in your list. Next, I'm going to create a frozen set. So you can see I've successfully created my frozen set, and in order to know to which class it belongs, so it belongs to class frozen set. Next is Boolean, which can be true or false. So B, I'm assigning it true. Then just print the value of B as well as the type of B. So you can see the true value has been assigned to B, and when I try to print the type of B, then it shows that it belongs to class bool. In the same way, I can create a byte data So I have successfully created a byte variable, and I have printed the class of my byte1 variable. In this way, you can see that you can implement the basic Python data types. Thank you for watching this video.